Student, today we are going to learn about the find out the square root. This is the symbol of the square root. The value of this symbol, suppose this is, we can read square root x. That means the value of symbol is always the exponent 1 upon 2. If square root x is given and further square is given, that means the square root symbol will remove. That answer will become x. How it will become removed? This square already is given, we have to put first. Then whenever we have to remove the square root symbol, it will come exponent 1 upon 2. Both the exponent will be multiply each other. It will come x 1 upon 2 multiply 2, 2 will be cancelled, 2 1 is 2. Again the answer will become x power 1. That means we have to write the x. For example, root 3 is given and further is given the square, that we have to write only 3. Root 9 is given. Suppose root 2 is given and further square is given, that we have to write the 2. That means whenever square of the square root is given, that means simply we have to remove the square root symbol. Now we are going to learn the method of the find out the square root. Method to find square roots. There are two methods to find the square root. First method, by prime factorization. The prime factorization, and another method is the by division method. By division method. First, today we are going to learn about the prime factorization method. In that, first we have to find out the prime factorization. For example, is given square root 144. That means simply will be write find out the value of square root 144, or we can, the question will ask like that, find out square root of 144. Either the given question in the statement or simply it will written in the square root symbol. Then first we have to write the find out the prime factorization of that. To find out the prime factorization, in the smaller classes, the junior classes also, you have to divide in the given number. First is the even number, because it is one unit place digit is the 4. We can divide by the 2. 2 in 1 is not possible. We can take the 2 digit 14. 2 7 is 14. In this column we have to write only quotient. Now no remainder is there. Now 2 2 is 4. 72 is come. Then again 72 can be divided by 2. 2 3 is 6. Here 1 will be remain, and there 2 6 is 12. Then again 36 can divide by 2. 2 1 is 2. 1 from here, and 6 is 16. 2 8 is 16. Then again 2 9 is 18. And 9 will be divided only by the 3. 3 3 is 9, and 3 1 is 3. Then we can write 144 is given a square root, that we can write in the square root symbol, and all these are prime factorization factors we can write in this symbol, like 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 and 3. These whatever we got the prime factorization, 1 2 3 4 times 2 and 2 times 3. Then afterwards, after getting the factors, we have to make the pairs of the 2 digit and similar 2 digit, like one pair, another pair, another pair. You remember always the pair should be the same digit. Then from the each pair we have to take only one digit. Now 3 pairs we have. From all 3 pairs one single digit we have to take. Now these are the square root. No need to put the symbol here, square root symbol. Now 2 to the 4, 3 is 12. This is the answer. The square root 144 is the 12. Let's understood some more question. Like 400 is given, square root of the 400. Then what we have to find? How we have to find out? Again we have to find out the prime factors. 2 to the 4, 0. It will come like that. Again 2 1 the 2, 2 5 the 10, 2 2 the 4, 2 5 the. Now it will from 5. So we can write 400 square root, or like that. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 multiply 5. Now we have to make the pairs of the similar digits. Then two digits. One pair, second pair, and third pair. From each pair we have to write one digit. Now 2 to the 4 5 the 20. So 20 is the square root of the 400.